Ever feel like we're living in a sci-fi movie? I mean, with all this AI stuff popping up,
It's moving pretty
it
fast.
really is.
Yeah.
And today, we're diving deep into one of the coolest new developments I've seen, Zhipu AI's GLM-4 Voice. Heard of it?
Oh, yeah. Definitely keeping an eye on that one.
It's this crazy, powerful AI model, and it's open source. Like, anyone can use it. It's mind-blowing. But for our listeners who haven't been glued to the AI news feeds like we have, could you break down what GLM-4 Voice actually is?
Sure. So GLM-4 Voice, it's what we call an end-to-end speech large language model, basically. It's like the ultimate speech and text translator all rolled into one.
Okay, so less jargon. What does that actually mean it can do?
Think real-time transcription. Way better than those clunky captions you see online.
Oh, I hate those. Half the time they're totally wrong.
Exactly. GLM-4 Voice. Way more accurate. Plus, it can do text-to-speech that sounds, well, human. Not robotic at all.
So you're saying I could feed it like an ebook, and it would read it to me in a voice that actually sounds pleasant? Sign me up.
Pretty much. And the coolest part, it can do speech-to-speech translation. Imagine, you're in, say, China. You don't speak a word of Chinese. GLM-4 Voice can translate your English as you speak into spoken Chinese.
That's wild. Like having a personal interpreter right in your pocket. No more awkward hand gestures and phrase books.
Exactly. It's pretty amazing.
It really is. And like I mentioned earlier, it's open source. We're seeing this more and more with AI models. LG's EXAONE 3.0, Google's Gemma. Why are these companies choosing to share their cutting-edge tech like this?
Well, there are a few reasons. For one, it's like turbocharging innovation. Putting these models out there openly. It means more people can experiment with them, find new uses, and just generally push the technology further faster.
So it's a win-win. The companies get valuable feedback, and the rest of us get access to this incredible tech.
Exactly. Plus, it levels the playing field. AI development isn't just for the big tech giants anymore. Anyone with the skills and creativity can get involved.
I love that. Democratizing AI. Now let's talk about a specific detail that jumped out at me. GLM-4 Voice supports both English and Chinese. That seems, well, significant given China's growing influence in the tech world.
It definitely is. China's investing a ton in AI research, so having a model that supports Chinese could really accelerate their progress.
Do you think this could lead to more collaboration between researchers in China and, say, the US?
It's possible, and that could benefit everyone involved. Sharing knowledge and working together could lead to breakthroughs we wouldn't see otherwise.
Fingers crossed for that. So taking a step back, this all feels huge like we're on the verge of something truly transformative. What does this kind of open source AI mean for, say, someone working in listeners' field?
The possibilities are endless, really. Let's say you're a doctor. Imagine using GLM-4 Voice to transcribe patient consultations in real time.
No more scribbling notes like a mad scientist.
Exactly. Plus, you'd have a searchable database for research and analysis.
Wow, that could change everything.
Right. And that's just one tiny example. It's an exciting time to be working in AI, for sure.
No doubt about it. GLM-4 Voice is a game changer. It shows what's possible when we embrace open source AI and collaborate to push the boundaries of what technology can do.
I think that's a great point to end on.
Yeah. So for our listeners out there, keep your eyes peeled. Who knows? You might be the one to discover the next amazing application for this tech.
Absolutely. The future's open.